Hello everyone. Today we shall look into ISAFTER or ISONORAFTER function. ISAFTER function, it is a Boolean function that emulates the behavior of a started clause and returns true for a row that meets all the condition parameters. It returns true or false. This function is similar to ISONORAFTER. The difference is ISAFTER function returns true for values sorted strictly after the filter values, whereas ISONORAFTER function returns true for values sorted on or after the filter values. This function is not supported for direct use in the direct query mode when it is used in calculated columns or row level security rules. ISONORAFTER function, it is also similar to the ISAFTER function. The only difference is it considers the condition provided and also values which are present after the condition provided. Let us see an example. Here we have brand and total sales from which is taken from the sales table. Now suppose that I want to create a new table where I want these brands which is present after the LG brand, which does not include LG. That is why we are using that ISAFTER function. I'll click on any table. I'll create a new table by selecting the new table from table tools. Here since I want to create ISAFTER table, I'll write ISAFTER. Here I'll write filter function in order to create a table. In the table parameter I have entered sales. In the filter expression I'll write ISAFTER value 11. Since we are differentiating with respect to brand, I'll use brand. I want to write LG brand, like whatever the values which are present after LG, I want those values in my table. And in the order, I'm keeping it in ascending order for now. Okay, I'll close the parenthesis. This is our filter function, table name, and the filter expression, which is after expression. I'll click over here. Okay, let us bring into the table and see how it works. Okay, I'll bring the brand and sales from this ISAFTER table. I'll select brand and I'll select sales. Here you could see that in my new table, which is ISAFTER table, whatever I have created, we are getting only the results of Motorola, Nokia and Samsung in this ISAFTER table. The reason is the filter expression which we have written, that return us all the values which are present after LG in ascending order. Okay, now since we have understood ISAFTER function, let us make ISONORAFTER function and let us see the output with respect to it. I'll copy this function and I'll click on the table. I'll create a new table. I'll name the table as is on or after table equal to. Okay, here I'll make the change in the filter function. Instead of is after, I'll write is on or after. Okay, this by default it is understandable that it includes LG, and whatever the values which are present after the LG, it considers all those values. Let us see how it works in the table. Okay, now we can see our is on or after table. Here I'll open the is on or after table. This is our is on or after table. I'll select the table. I'll click on the brand and I'll bring the sales. Here you could see that is on or after function, it returns as LG brand along with the other values which are present in ascending order. Okay, I hope is after and is on or after function is understandable. Is after considers the all the values which are provided after the condition. Is on or after function, it includes the value which is provided in the condition and the values which are present after the given condition. Okay, let us see one more example by using measure. Suppose that I want to calculate all the total values which are present like after LG, like for Motorola, Nokia and Samsung. I want to find the sum only for the bottom three. I want to leave the top three. Okay, I'll create a measure and show you how to get the total sales for the bottom three. I'll create a new measure. Here name I'll name the measure as bottom three sales equal to calculate. We have the total measure as total sales, which is sum of sales. Okay, I'll write is after function. Here in the value 1 we have brand, which is sales brand. Okay, I'll put a comma. In the value I'll write LG because I want all the values after LG in ascending order. I'll close the parenthesis and hit enter. Okay, this is the filter argument which I have written, where I have written the is after function. Okay, let us bring into the table and see how it works. I'll select the table, I'll bring in my measure. You could see that the Motorola, Nokia and Samsung, the bottom three brands, it accounts to 56 million. Okay, 56 million, the total, it is populated in all the rows because I want the total calculation for bottom three sales. This is how is after measure could also be used in calculate function in order to get such total, and it may help us in calculating percentages if it is such a scenario which is required. This is all for now. Thank you for watching, and we shall meet in the next video.